If your videos are getting impressions but nobody's clicking, your thumbnail is the problem. Most creators spend hours designing thumbnails that get ignored, and YouTube just keeps showing their videos to fewer and fewer people. I'm about to show you exactly how I create high-click thumbnails in under 5 minutes using ClipKraft AI, and why this one skill change completely transformed my channel's growth. And here's what I learned the hard way. If your thumbnail doesn't make people stop scrolling, nothing else you do matters. Your editing, your content, your effort, all invisible. Because YouTube doesn't promote videos people don't click on. Here's how YouTube actually works. When you upload a video, YouTube shows it to a small group of people first. Let's say 100 subscribers. If 8 out of those 100 people click, that's an 8% click-through rate. YouTube sees that and thinks, okay, people want this, let me show it to more people. But if only 2 people click, YouTube stops promoting your video completely. It dies right there. And this happens fast. Within the first hour, YouTube knows if your thumbnail works or not. Most creators see a 2 to 4% CTR and wonder why their views are stuck. Meanwhile, creators with 7, 8, 10% click-through rates are getting pushed to thousands, then tens of thousands of people. The difference between a channel that grows and a channel that doesn't almost always comes down to thumbnails, not the content. The thumbnail. So I knew I needed better thumbnails, but I also knew I didn't want to spend hours in Photoshop or pay a designer every single week. I needed something fast, repeatable, and designed specifically for YouTube. That's when I found ClipKraft AI, and I'm not exaggerating when I say this tool changed how I approach every single upload. ClipKraft AI is basically a creative engine built for serious creators who actually care about growth, views, and revenue. It's not a generic design tool. It's not another Canva clone. It's specifically engineered to generate high-performance thumbnails that get clicks. And the best part, it eliminates designers, endless revisions, and expensive software subscriptions. All right, let me just show you exactly how I use this. I'm going to walk you through creating some different thumbnails right now, live on screen, so you can see exactly what this does. And I'll explain every single step so you can follow along if you want to try this yourself. Sign up with the link in description. So first, I'm logging into ClipKraft AI on my desktop. This is a web-based platform, so you don't need to download anything. You just open it in your browser and you're ready to go. Once I'm in, the first thing I see is my dashboard. Clean, simple, easy to navigate. Persona upload. Now, here's one of the coolest features, and this is something that saves me so much time. ClipKraft AI lets me upload what they call personas. A persona is basically a face that the AI remembers and can use in any thumbnail I create. So instead of uploading my face every single time, I upload it once and it's saved forever. I'm going to upload 2 personas right now. First, my own face. I'm clicking on the persona section, then create persona. Here, you'll get 2 options: upload multiple photos or just a single image. I upload an image, give my persona a name, and click on create persona. Now, ClipKraft AI knows what I look like, and it can put me in any thumbnail I generate from now on. Next, I'm uploading a celebrity persona. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail that references a famous person or uses their likeness for a reaction style thumbnail. I'm uploading that second persona now. Same process. Upload. Done. This alone is a massive advantage because you can create consistent, recognizable branding across all your thumbnails without paying extra. Text-to-image generation. All right, now let me show you the first type of thumbnail I'm going to create. I'm using the text-to-image feature combined with my persona. So here's how this works. I click on Thumbnail Studio, then I select Text-to-Image and toggle on Generate with Persona. Now I type in exactly what I want the thumbnail to look like. I'm going to type something like close-up of a shocked creator looking at a laptop screen, bright, colorful background, high contrast, YouTube thumbnail style. Then I select my persona, the one I just uploaded. I hit generate and watch this. In about 10 seconds, ClipKraft AI creates a thumbnail with my actual face perfectly integrated into the scene I described. Look at that. The lighting matches, the expression is on point, and the colors are vibrant. This looks like something a professional designer would charge me $50 for, and it took 10 seconds. And if I don't like something, I can regenerate it or tweak the prompt. But honestly, the first result is usually good enough. This is the kind of thumbnail that makes people stop scrolling. High contrast, clear emotion, professional quality, product plus persona generation. Now let me show you the second type of thumbnail, and this one's perfect if you're promoting a product, a course, a tool, anything like that. I'm going to use the Marketing Studio, which combines a product image with my persona. So I click on Product plus Persona. Now I'm going to upload a product image. Let's say it's a screenshot of a water bottle or a book cover, anything visual. I upload that, then I select my persona again, and I type a quick prompt like, creator holding product with an excited expression, clean modern background. Generate, and there it is. ClipKraft just created a thumbnail where I'm integrated with the product in a natural, professional way. The composition is balanced, the colors pop, and it looks like something you'd see from a top-tier creator. This is the kind of thumbnail that works incredibly well for tutorials, reviews, and affiliate content. Animated thumbnail. Alright, now here's where it gets really cool. ClipKraft AI also does image to video generation, so I can take any thumbnail I just created and turn it into an animated thumbnail. Some platforms let you upload animated thumbnails, and even if they don't, you can use this for social media, ads, or video intros. I'm selecting the thumbnail I just made, clicking Thumbnail Video, then uploading the image and typing a prompt, and watch what happens. The AI adds motion to the image. Maybe my face moves slightly, the background shifts, or the product glows. It's subtle but eye-catching. This took another 10 seconds, and now I have an animated version of my thumbnail ready to export. Edit thumbnail. Now let's say I like the thumbnail, but I want to change something. Maybe the background color, maybe the expression, or maybe I want to add text. ClipKraft has a feature called Edit Thumbnail, and it's ridiculously powerful. Now I can just type what I want changed in plain English. I'm typing, change the background to bright yellow and add bold text that says, this changed everything. I hit apply and watch. The AI makes those exact changes in real time. The background shifts to yellow and the text appears, perfectly styled and positioned. This is what I mean when I say ClipKraft AI removes friction. I'm not dragging layers around, I'm not adjusting fonts, I'm just telling the AI what I want, and it does it. This is how creating thumbnails should feel. Alright, I'm happy with this thumbnail. Time to export. I click Export, choose my resolution, and download. Done. I now have a high-click thumbnail ready to upload to YouTube, and the entire process, from start to finish, took less than 5 minutes. Why ClipKraft AI works? So here's why this matters. ClipKraft AI isn't just fast, it's effective. Over 10,000 active creators are using this platform right now. They've generated over 500,000 thumbnails, and the data shows that creators using ClipKraft AI see up to a 40% increase in click-through rate compared to their old thumbnails. That's not a small bump. That's the difference between a video that gets 5,000 views and a video that gets 7,000 views. Multiply that across every upload, and you're talking about massive channel growth. And the satisfaction score is 98%. That means almost every creator who tries this sticks with it because it actually works. It's not hype, it's results. All of this is designed specifically for YouTube creators who need high-quality thumbnails fast. This isn't a tool for casual hobbyists. This is for creators who understand that thumbnails control growth and want a system that actually delivers. Persona advantage. And again, the unlimited persona uploads are a game changer. You upload your face once, you upload any celebrity or character faces you use, and they're saved forever. You never have to re-upload. You never hit a persona limit. You never pay extra. This keeps your branding consistent, your thumbnails recognizable, and your workflow fast. That's the kind of feature that shows ClipKraft AI was built by people who actually understand what creators need. So if you're serious about growing your channel, if you're tired of low CTR killing your reach, if you want to stop guessing what thumbnails will work, you need to try ClipKraft AI. Sign up with the link in description. See you in the next video.